Now I already have a kind cluster running, and so is the operator, as you can see here. Now let's create a new namespace called source that will act as the primary site. Next, I would want to deploy the CRD, but before I do that, I need to create an rclone secret that the R operator would be using for pushing data onto AWS S3. So now I can deploy the CRD. Now that I have deployed the CRD, let's see when is the next sync time. So the next sync time is happening in 6 minutes. While we wait for this, let's deploy our primary database application. So we can see that our MySQL is up and running. Let's make some changes to this MySQL database. So this application has right now 4 databases. I will create a new database called sync and timestamp it with the next expected sync time, which is happening as we can see that this database has been created. Okay, so the operator has started to reconcile the objects. So we can see that the rclone mover job is running. And if you type deeper into it, you see that it is using a PVC which is called Scribe SRC database source. And if we get into the details of that PVC, you see that it has been created from a snapshot which is this. And if I see the details or the deployment configuration of this volume snapshot, you can see that the database source for this snapshot has been MySQL PV claim, which is the original PVC used by the primary database. So let this job finish, and once this job is finished, we can verify on the destination or on the edge side if the sync happened or not. So the data mover job has completed. Now it's time to verify on the edge side how the sync is going. So on the edge side, let's see, we can see that a new reconciliation is happening or was started 6 seconds ago. So then, and from the CRD, we will extract the last point in time snapshot image. So each time the operator runs, at the end of each iteration, what the operator on the edge side will do is copy the name of the last point in time snapshot and put that into the replication's destination CRD. So we need to extract this snapshot name from the CRD and create the database on the edge side with PVC pointing to this snapshot. So I'm going to get the latest or the most recent snapshot image from the replication destination itself, which is this, and now I need to replace this into the Edge database PVC. So I replace the PVC to use this snapshot. Now I will deploy the MySQL application. As you can see that the MySQL application is up and running. To verify that, now it's time to verify if the new database is present in this application on the Edge side or not. As you can see that on the Edge side, the application has a new database that we were created on the primary side.